in Karachi, a center in Hyderabad, one in Gambat, one in Nawab Shah, one in Sakkar, and the one in Larkana is near completion. In the next 3 months, inshallah, 2 new CRs will become operative in Tando Muhammad Khan and Karachi Central. Plans are underway to establish CRs in every district of Sindh, ensuring accessibility across all regions. New special education centers have been set up in Kiamadi, Daud, Moro, Noshero Feroz, Ratto Dero, Larkana, Bhatto, Mathli, Tambar, and Shikarpur. Rehabilitation has also been carried out for our centers in Sakkar, Korangi, Karachi, complexes in Gulistani Johar and Mirpur Mathelo, and inclusive parks have been built in Malir, Landi, and North Karachi. By the close of the current financial year, 2 new schemes will be completed: an inclusive park in Clifton Block 5 and rehabilitation of PD and ID Center in Larkana. The Sindh Institute of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation is recognized. SMPR has now been transferred from health to the DEPD department. This enables more dedicated service delivery for persons with disabilities. We have major expansions underway in our SA, IPM and our Nawab Shah, the one in Larkana and the one in Karachi. These units will start operating in July 2025. For the Grant Aid program, the government allocated rupees 2.9 billion supporting over 10,500 children with disabilities by partner NGOs. Key achievements include rupees 986 million establishing 20 new centers and expanding 15 existing ones. Rupees 400 million for assistive devices benefiting children with mobility or learning challenges. Rupees 1.5 billion provided to NGOs and government institutions through the regular budget. So we have also formed the Directorate of Inclusive Education. We have a fleet of 23 vehicles for accessibility which have been procured. Our inclusive parks and infrastructure with the allocation of 80 billion, we are constructing parks for special people in Clifton, Saudabad, Landi and North Karachi. This inclusive roadmap reflects the government of Sindh's unwavering resolve to build a barrier-free opportunity-rich society for all through infrastructural expansion, inclusive education, targeted mobility solutions and support to non-governmental organizations. We are not just creating facilities, we are restoring dignity, hope and potential for every child and individual with disability in Sindh. Sir, our project of Sindh People Housing for Flood Affectees is now a world-recognized project through the efforts of our leadership, especially Chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, who has in the vision of Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto of Roti Kapda Makan. We have under construction more than 850,000 houses affected during the flood. Almost 500,000 are under completion. Rupees 128 billion was spent in the current financial year. More than 1.3 million bank accounts have been opened for direct disbursement. The entire world is talking about the success of this project, and we've got requests from other provinces to replicate these projects in their provinces. And Chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari has directed us that the Sindh People's Housing for Flood Affectees will implement this scheme in the province of Balochistan and in the province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa for flood affectees.